Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You will start by enabling the German layout. Open your system keyboard/language settings and add German Deutsch now. Once added, make sure the language pack and any driver updates finish installing. This prevents missing characters. If you prefer tactile cues, apply stickers or replace keycaps to reflect the keywords arrangement so what you see matches what you type. Do this step immediately. It avoids confusion when you switch layouts in the next steps. Now you switch layouts and learn how keys behave. Toggle between layouts with the system shortcut, Alt plus Shift or Windows plus Space, so you can compare keywords to your original layout. Learn Alt-GR combinations and dead keys. Alt-GR produces symbols like @ while dead keys combine with vowels to produce umlauts. Practice typing sharp S, A umlaut, O umlaut, U umlaut until muscle memory forms. If unsure, open the on-screen keyboard to see exact output. Once comfortable, finish by making German your default input or by assigning a quick switch shortcut so you never lose the layout during work. Test thoroughly. Type email, passwords, and special characters to confirm behavior, then export or back up your layout profile if your OS allows it. If something goes wrong, characters appear incorrect, double-check that the OS layout matches your physical keyboard, toggle numlock, and reinstall the keyboard driver. If needed, remove.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.